Someye nyalelo Nunya bagama mayinaude Ababavi komia fa Nunya bagama mayinaude Ababavi ye komia fa lo Mamanye blenam Kembo ebejo le bonye Ebe vevesese begameli Voidija popo dans l'îlot Ebe na tumetidia ba me kwelai Na home hojwa amba kwela mloelo A vivant muona meye Betina po jena zomeo Agbe nika Someye nyalelo
Drag me one minute. Drag also drag me. A very news item here. That will be drag me. I will story of Nigeria. Nama akoso swava fi. Kemi atasi joy love blessing today.
Nunya bagama mayinaude
Small.
Ababavi komia fa
Yeah.
Mamanye blenam
Or I pick the story, see we do like this. She say as a family, where if you know I go ask him this more on then we go with some. I like a city tour one for the break. Yeah.
No homo hojwa amekoela mloelo
Ekra mekele pia. Esa matani wa story aba newspaper review. Never could happen to the I never get a pop-up podcast. I am no better than the challenge. No,
Nika Someye nyalelo
I made a radio at it. Radio first start about and the panel. It's so easy. Even radio now, like a woman, if you are not eloquent, you are not, but you could still do radio. But I told you, man, like a TV. Next power, a power represent no local approve.
Agbenika Someye nyalelo Agbenika Someye nyalelo Nunya bagama mayinaude Ababavi komia fa Nunya bagama mayinaude Ababavi ye komia fa lo Mamanye blenam Kembo ebejo le bonye Ebe vevesese be kameli Voadijo popo dans l'îlot Ebe na tumetidia ba me kwelai Na home hojwa ama kwela mloelo A vivant muona meye Betina po jena zomeo Agbe nika Someye nyalelo Nunya bakama mayinaude Agbe bavi yekomia falo Nunya bakama mayinaude Agbe bavi komia fa Mamanye blenan Kembwe bejo le bonye Ebe vevesese be gameli Voadijo popo dans l'îlot Ebe na tumetidia ba me kwelai Ne home hojwa ame kwela mloelo A vivant muona meye Betina ko jena someo Agbe nika Someye nyalelo
Yo, miapa lukpala me dakpanami be miliklim le miafa betu evanyigba TV fe ndionaji ke nye Tony Magwe miaplom nyamko pereka garage ho ikanya Honorable Raphael Walasi Dogbe ikanya klepato of assemblyman ola ganye nyaundela ne ho chichina machia ntoma NDC Honorable Wilson
Yo, Tony.
okay anwaka
Enwake lo mauta mi fanyi.
akwe yo afi mi ahodo machucho kwima ikanye uhiare ke mi afamo onamia mi non fomcho Ghana Police Service stop agbaro yo kole ke agbavon amachivon yo kenye amacharo ke na sohro do magbon osusuma dollar malota bodollar ashanti ntoma e pe nyajojo no to mafi majo onyeba yi vai ka nya po press release alo barare kacho kubito ho do kwa be nya kakare ya valo jin dia ike Teuda share chokevai Ashanti South Police intercept large consignment of drugs. The Obuasi police have intercepted and seized large quantities of assorted prohibited drugs at Chepiasi police barrier on the Obuasi-Dunkwa highway. The consignment of the drugs, which is made up of 257 packs of 50 mg tramadol, 58 packs of 250 mg tramadol, tramadol also known as red, 58 packs of 225 milligram tapendol, also known as royal, was intercepted on 13th February 2026 whilst being transported on a red OA Kia Grandbird bus to Ayamfuri near Dunkwafim in the central region. Upon intercepting the said bus at the barrier, the police conducted a search and found 2 sealed brown boxes containing the drugs. The driver, Joseph Nkrumah, 37 years, was immediately arrested, and during interrogation, he mentioned one Perpetual, a native of Ayamfuri, as the owner of the drugs. On the next day, February 14, 2026, while investigation was underway, the said owner of the drugs, together with 3 others, namely Dana Mensah, 40 years, Abena Neyear, 43 years, and Nana Ikwe, 35 years, showed up at the same tray PRC barrier with a cash of 50,000 Ghana cedis to grease the palms of the police. The police took the money and immediately arrested suspect Perpetual and her 3 friends for further investigation. The cash of 50,000 is also retained as for evidential purposes. Meanwhile, the suspects will be put before court on Monday, 16th February, so that should have been yesterday, 2026, on a provision under the Public Health Act 2022, Act 851, prohibits the sale of drugs, herbal medicine products, cosmetics, medical devices, and other household chemical substances. The Ashanti South Regional Police Command is hereby reiterating its warning to criminals to avoid the jurisdiction in the course of perpetrating their nefarious trade, as they would find the Ashanti South terrain very hostile. Signed by Joseph Hammond Nyaba, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Regional Commander. Ya ta nkolo le mepe TV ya ji akogo nyonvie aroma ole yok aba ama toima des so ta ho mo jejemo na ola madea na za obugbe enyegbeglo ola do makuge ayi won afi won na do pajiba nya tepo won webreta opo mo ola fukpe ka nyonvie na ya onye amaroko chana achike yoko be red upa ashichamole ke pireko mi jonyo be ehuma ike jejem ipopom enye hujiare echo agba kia bonye with registration number 623418 le Ashanti Ntome ke echo achike bobo yoke na no yoke umangori na fina no anagana ya alomalo na ngurukobelo amu ke nana no mulo kuhoba bea ovivino de la ginealogia atachoka sumano fa ta achikamo anamo susuma dolam unimre ke ayo lagba obie bu akulaba makenya chikato yo nyonvera ko benye Perpetual ko ai ankia anka Perpetual ba dugo ple yo hachi omovare albola ga 50,000 achalo 500 million where yo chona za mpovito albora shinyanchi povito ko gaeba dako kwashi pemono ko ire over gahome ke okun maklo jo Valentine Day ke 14th February ke achoy ke baya enye ke oho ko ire po mulen ke bantu mata amachi o makomile na ko norma ha ko na nyabe unim ready bava yo ta ogui na zabe achika yo o jale moma no sem la ba pia mare na achashika chi aje bo bale na no te aro ho bale ada si Food and Drugs Authority to glo to kata o ono nam udana ashak bale tebe ho enya ncho chikenji afia no ja akono to jibe ya che kalabulishi alo smuglishi ye na cho mio nyongu vioma na ko ko blane vovo pe bla ton voto pe bla ton va ton wo nya gba to ke vu kula eyo fo koko ba yo ne bribe ye bovito kwashi pamano enya ke le to ma fi mahodo chocho honorable
Tony mado agbemdina ewon to pele wodo hatio nene maka mado agbemdina miafe enukpala ole various media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and then on satellite. Mado agbemdina amugano to me le Ghana godo afile sia de ke amonya le miak bole kwa medo agbemdina ma aje gome ma fo apotana mi afa ekpo vito le relati Yehova ime especially le fe yamea mi le ofe nu te fe wowo bele atike von ya ofe kokova mi adomea mi le ofe nu te fe wowo po le ike wo la gbagbaje be yewa ahemoda enu ya ofe gegede mi adowe Nui ke ta ohia be mi aga po abota na wo enye be le ya ome ga home itogbi oke atike to ya wole na na movito kake o tekpo be wa po amesugbo fe diti no nojida eta oje agbagba be to gbo be tete po mavana wa ko ega home ede onye gbetaga dollar pleto o ha movito oje agbagba be iwa awonu ikenyu eyo hia be wa wo abe mi afe diti no nojipo la ota me fo abota na o babia de kai ke mele do kwenye bia nye be tafraje no kanye motivation ebe egbe mi afe so he uvivi toko atike ya ofe zazan ele jijo dona o chome ela be nekpo ele ike the rate at which ole atike ya cover mi adome klop elele a if you have demand na atike wa ole very high ike ne ekpo social event de ko efi ike wona de ike enye kutefe o azando fe o efi o ke amawa dogole kwa akpo be mi ape so he de wa o pe nu wo eva gbo amet pe nu wo meyi Tony zigbanto ike mekpo ame ike o bonaza de be eza reda de wona mabe screen jimele pole e mekpole Eastern region ame alebu mome megale babao doko abe statue ya me no babia be ta flashelo amede do sagbedo ame afi o chifima ko ame ikenye vele anye no gbonya en mo jole zame e jole zame around 12:30 year 1 e ikembe zo mo gbovado vujevede yo be matoma no po me no fima say abe minute eton ya ton ko amede va ko ya me va foi se de pa ko yo abele ka me anyo cho alome abenya ye ke blomele yi ame ga jezozo ya mebe wow ela be ya nyezi gbanto mekpo iwo now nu ike mega dejesi enyebe ame yoke la tike ya ojera ole komba wole mezan ela be nese ga home yoke togbi nenyebe kpo vito ole wadi bene yokova na mekane jiba mereka ko efe capital fe mama 50% abe yakona bribe afi cost bumbu yoke aba viper si chacha me na wa va de leme ike ano mokpo be ne iva chasi wonu ayado agba ta ejebe ole koba wole me now nu ike mega kpo hena be the demand for atike yawo ole high enyebe o be nu medede gobi alo nu medede to to mele yina mi dumevio veveto so hewo ala be atike yawo ne o mengole na ole koji ko hie zen o fe no gbele pe osugbo enye nto ikele da se di ike fufu nyejedo o ko yi de mi o fe koji gan o do metodika le ho le fi ike dokita engolo tramadol yo ne le koji lo ho va pe me ba mi ho mi atike in less than 20 minutes time, equal reaction. So imagine be amede ike omengola tike ya ne togbi ne ko waton acho ava miele do kwesi. Reaction ike tonye kpo ami apa la mepete valia. Ta mega le flexible. Enu bubu no jojo. Ta fimale ya mi va realize be no anye atike ta quickly elebe mi atore ko idoyo pe. Jobo nyu to hemi kwa mi va to dokita mi ko enyaji de ne kwa ya be efi abatike mama nyulu ya odoli ni ta enu bubu yo kenye health implications only egbe ane po mi afa biologia ameyo kele susu me dole osugbo eyenu ike wonu kwenye be ne po apaganto a wagano ajujonu ike ko aton a draw a conclusion le do ko yosi alors aton a cho nyamebe nu yawo anye e course fede ta ehia collective collaboration so stakeholders of it baba mia adenume ma education elebe wa yito de atike yawo fe enu gbelenfe le mian ejebe wa awo loke then secondly efi yoke wala tiki okocho edewa eyoke wolele mi afa mugano to me de owa ya efi abe wo gbaden to etogo no to me ko to an approved route ho yoke wole kokko gede mi ado mi se de wole Batume Junction area fi mi ola howe ta mi afa de dino no jikpola immigration bele eto wa ehia be wa agabla leji nwede be mi ajawagba akemode atike ya ofe ekpo dome mautoto kogede mi adome me kadeji be ne mi wonu ya ofete no medede leji no fafia leji mi gbogbo be atike ya o megalegede mi adomo mi don sen profita obe nenye be wokbo enu ya otogwi ya be le ike wo le wo fifia wa kodome fan wo ma va hoga ko a da sela me on be wa ko atike ya o akove ameyo kenye atike to ameyo ke fasile me afi wo le kogede mi adome nenye be wo le wa ho ivonu ne bonu po be wo jagoa wa tunu pelewo vivi be wa nye po don pele nya den until mi je ya wo wa enya ya otogwi mi ana se gbesi agbe elabe atike feza san fifia ko le vivi na mi apeso heo enu ike le ngoji enye be fifia onya enu ya ofe ayemo no vovovo ta fa che amedele chi no he kpokora mega nye chi no lo atike ya otogwi le me amedele aha vivi no la mega nya ha vivi ta enu yo ke he me bube amegbeto azan bene mui ne nabe ya no hae ne ava wona ne la wa otogwi ya ile system me fifie ta edole miamu nenye be midibe echome eno miasi abegana ekema elebe amesiame ne blaleji ne mia awo avukpele atike von fe kokova mia do mekpele fe zazan eike efenu blen fe wa wosogbo Tony
akpe yo honorable Raphael Dogbe for magbe ma mi se ke nya pe message so bonya bam egba message so bota ma jibe ma jo ka klanjeka alawe yima ga chi sema jo alawe jigera na ba mi jago ma message mo ba vansa ba lo ba va fiano ke ena na be mano message so jon hu ba na mi na mu ga fi ma ke bi fia ko ga ba va ngbo so ne ga khalmu ha na mo bi jire nchi ko ka ro ma ga ro ga ra ma ta ma je makle maklo mo wo message acho nkulo chale chichi do idolo okay message do cho Amos Baba, I'm sure this bus passed through many police barriers before those at the said barrier intercepted the drugs. The IGP should start asking every barriers the cars pass how they did their checks. Some of the officers are really doing great job for this country, and those who are not doing the work well must not be at post. All right, thank you. It must be we all picture the party na the party na ma drop agblema. We don't want more okatajia. There no kume, amekata no duty. No more here my ma fi wa tonche no bi aleke o to ogodo. Alo do do sa ma fi bo wa ya. It must be point ma. All right. Oh, Gabi, because of promotion, every police officer is alert. God bless IGP Ogonu. Abu, even those that deal in pharmaceutical products don't have these. Yeah. Kokudo, so the airport cocaine issue went to bed. Yo. Airport cooking. Okay. Mr. Boku cooking record the Galimwe. All right. More messages here. Okay. For men Sabe, you see as this one dear, you bring them names fast. All right.
If you have a obo amawabu na zabe dumega opasi omelemewa ame yokenya agbata open kodo kaba. Okay. If you have a in reference to the airport, we have
okay, achu domestic, but promotion. Good job to the Ghana police. My trust in them increases when I see things like this. Okay, that's a good one. All right. Nicholas Mensah about merchants of death. Okay, up your okay, so merchants of death were a pushy chala okay, iconic irony, but how far with the Adabraka robbery case? Okay, so I think these are some of the messages that have been coming in. Me messages whatever +2332426707773G. I love me on YouTube, Facebook ata mia atem ado mia messages so down to the promoha ko mo kata khlege afi wona na wo yo mia zorango agare mia political segment me. Stop sharing bent images of Burkina Faso attack. Stop sharing bent images of Burkina Faso terror attack, Muntaka. So, City News reporter about the Minister of Interior, Mohamed Muntaka Mubarak, has appealed to the public to refrain from sharing images and videos of the bent bodies of victims of a terrorist attack on a truck transporting Ghanaian tomato traders in northern Burkina Faso. Speaking to Eyewitness News on CTFM Monday, February 16, Muntaka extended condolences to the bereaved families and disclosed that the government is still working to evacuate survivors from the affected area, noting that not all families have yet been formally informed of the incident. The bodies of the deceased have been buried by Burkina Faso authorities with approval from the government of Ghana. DNA samples were taken prior to the burial to ensure proper identification so families can be notified. Unfortunately, on Saturday, our compatriots traveling through Titao were caught in a violent confrontation between extremists and Burkina Faso armed forces. 18 Ghanaian tomato traders were affected, 10 men and 8 women. The attackers forced the women off the trucks and opened fire indiscriminately. Several individuals, including the drivers, died instantly, and the trucks were set ablaze, leaving the bodies burnt beyond recognition. Families of the victims are uncertain. Sharing footage of burnt bodies on both is not only sensitive but also adds to their trauma. I plead with everyone to stop circulating these images and put themselves in the shoes of the grieving families, he said. Despite the tragedy, some survivors managed to escape. 3 men and 1 woman sustained serious burns and are currently receiving treatment in hospital, while remaining 7 women are reported to be in stable condition. Wow. Nyasala dovo ke jile Burkina Faso fa nye baji ke nye track alo nyi ko gare ke tomato shichala o nome nchu ome wo nyongo ome nyi mema alawe amagblekwo yo ke nye amewi badagba bidio alo badagba jaglan fo nu ona na be otote hukobu alo nyi kobu gan ya ike tomato shichala ono o he nyɔnuwo katã wo do go xlã ɖe anyi okoto ŋutsu woamewo ɖe eʋua me ye ko dzetu dadawo dome tututututu ke woametɔ̃ dzagba dzoshi woto dzo eʋu hã ŋmake ta woametɔ̃ ŋutsu woametɔ̃ wo le agbe gake ŋuviwo le gbegbe ke nyɔnuwo wo le agbe ke ŋutsu woame ku nyi va dzɔdzɔ nye be fon dzi enyadzɔdzɔ ma la yawo gatso miawo mamawo le fon dzi mía nyakpɔlawo kple selawo hã mi ga enya lum kɔkɔm ɖoɖo ɖe mía xɔlɔ ame aɖewo dam ɖe woƒe Facebook kple WhatsApp kple tɔwo dziɖuɖɔ mega ke kpɔna kpovitɔwo ƒe dɔwɔnadzikpeamenɔwo mo yiwo ke wonye gbadagbawo ƒe dedinɔwo dzi le Ghana ƒo ŋutsɔ le siti wobe dɔ ne si be ɖe agbenɔnɔ nye agbedovo ŋutɔ eku dzɔ ame yiwo ke ku kura fifiafi yiwo kpe ɖo ge dzi be ame alo nye abe yiwo kua yiwo ke woƒe ŋutinuwo ɖe woƒe ʋuwo dzra ɖo vivivivi kple sugbe yiwo koe de mɔ me akpɔ ʋuwo be ɖe ƒome ka ʋe aɖe tso hafi yiwo tsɔ sɔ kple ƒe vi aɖe alo ƒe ƒometɔ aɖe akpɔ be wòfi ya la ame aɖe tso ame aɖe ƒe ŋkɔ dzi yomekpɔ o ma vɔ gake wonye be ameawo fia yomete amewo kpɔ ga de dzesi o ta yeƒe dɔwɔƒe kpakple yeƒe dɔwɔhatsiwo yi ke kpɔna dedienɔnɔ gbɔ le Burkina Faso yewo ɖoe be yewo ne ɖi ameawo ta yewo ƒo amewo ƒu heɖi ta ƒoma ɖewo ɖoko nya be yewo ƒe ƒometɔwo ya si womekpɔ gake ameawo ku o womeku o yomekpɔ nya ɖo enye ke nye ka o yomekpɔ nya ɖo ta ame yiwo ke nyama kakam tɔtɔtɔ amegbetɔ fiafiawo ƒe nɔnɔmetata yiwo ke tsatsa yaƒe dzagba ne tɔte owo nenye woe ɖe ne woe nenema adzodzi na wo ƒometɔ lɔlɔtɔ dawo fofo na yasi kɔ va fia wòna no ŋufiafia kpɔm le fon dzi kple amewo ƒe fonwo dzi kple tɔ ɖe numa ɖe maxe tɔtɔtɔtɔ va susu me na mi o numa mutake mubarak kɔ da ɖe yame ma honorable
yo Tony ba ma do baba na nɔvi yiwo ke ne woƒe agbe va do tsie me to gbadagba dzagelãwo ƒe nuwɔwɔ me le nuwɔna me le Burkina Faso be wofɔ be woava di woƒe agbe bolo eyi ke womele dɔ le wo ko bo woƒe agbe nu ne wòatso nenema enye enya yi ke wɔ nublanui ke mado mawo wɔ dɔ na nɔvi yiwo ke survive enumetoto ya eye eyiwo ke xɔ abia miabia mawo ƒe asi be wòanɔ wo dzi be woakpɔ edɔyɔyɔ kaba ewɔ nublanui be efi yi ke mi ɖo le xixe mea miafɔ ava nɔ miaƒe TV kple radio dzi eye enya yi ke me miadzroa anye enya madame dzi yawo tɔgbi eye meƒo abɔta na edudɔnunɔla ɖe eƒe nya yi ke wòfɔ ɖe te ta Tony enye ame yi ke le fia I have been a victim of enuke be efɔ nye fɔ yi dɔme eyi ke mele dɔ le o le miniti vi ɖe yiwo ke medzo le gbɔ le dɔme koa afɔku ne dzɔ ko eƒe agbenu ne tso eye menya nu yi ke me ƒometɔwo anɔ toto nenye be wonya be yewo ƒe ame viviwo eye wo ke womele dɔ le o ɖeko yi be woadi agbe bolo ko ŋuta sesẽtɔ yi ko woava na woanya be woƒe agbe edɔ tsi emea enye nu sesẽ eya ta mexɔ ɖe dudɔnunɔla ƒe nya dzi be maƒo koko na nɔvi yiwo ke ne kpɔtɔ hega le nɔnɔmetata yawo ma ade vevesese dzi na ƒometɔwo nenye be wova de dzesi be nyateƒe yewo ƒe ame viviwo wotsi eme eyi ke woƒe ŋutilã kukuwo kura womele nɔnɔme ɖeke me eyi ke woakɔ vɛ abe le yi ke ko mixɔ míaƒe ame viviwo ƒe ŋutilã kuku ava de bubu mamlɛwo aɖiwo le míaƒe dekɔnu nua woawo tɔ mele nɔnɔgbe si gbe o ta akpɔ be vevesese ya enye nu yi ke ado gã ɖe dzi eyata ohia be mia akwedeme now ne enya yao togbile jojoa abe le egleti iva yimekoa ya mi no anyi de fi ya mi joro nyamede abota kofo de ike wona duko polo la His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de afforded de o yoke ole de be mia atia kakple duko bubu yoke pokanami be mia fe asichanya kple ajodonya o alamesenya kple wona bubu ne wa atudejia ya ofu abotane le obe yiwe ioso nenye be amedo wa kwedo dokuyoji be ne wa webe katatia nyueto ne wa do mi kple duko bobo yo ke fo hami do mi be agbenono ne bobonami kake le yawo me amejagala nu tefe mawola yawo wo ha wa do ibe ye wa wona na yike ahehunya akova mi adome be wa gbelen afode de nwe yawo me kwese be ehia be mi agbugbo ado afo anyi be nuka we le jojogban hafi ame yawo zo amejagala fifi la komi gbelo atike von o pezaza bele nu yoke do chweme Tony ne wa kunu metututu a amejagala yawa ma wonu kuna mbe ameyawo le ofe nu wona ome ozan egbe fon pele atike sesan ya otogbi be wa de amenyenye nu bela nu ikpokpo eyike no mi ame wa de da be nu si anu ike wo be no wo wa te awe megbe makpo to afode de ike yiji le Burkina Faso minya be Burkina Faso to cho le Ghana de kene amejagala o le Ghana che o be wa do tefe alo amede sevefe yo be ya do etefe elabe efe ameveve de vachi mele Burkina Faso de ke mele avadara nyi be eike adis stabilize mi ape duko bale awebe amo fagbe o achime nu no amesi o do me agbele Ghana gbo na vaide avulele bale eto o mewa enovi yo ke le afoya o de mi dota frache na o benuka ke nyo fe veve sesede monu nyu to ole ike ohia be wato ade o fe veve sese o agbe kake menye be wava no funya wo edumevi yo ke me difode ko to the extent be amofa agbe ne don ne chieme now matrova mi ape edupopolo fe akpade ho ekpa tomatoes flefe eya novia oyi no nyebe mi ape du popolo dodo tohe dodo vevi do leun hena agbele dede bele efe wona ofe dodo dengo makwecho boyemeko le jidudu eve NPP cho 2016 vado 2024 le efenyi femo zozoma mea Mr. Dodo nyuede yike the former president kple efe dowa hawo for the tech planting for food and jobs eyike jidudu hetra mikpo eyike NDC ha kove babia yike mebe ma bia nyebe le dodo eve ya omede nuka tututu jidudu owo be wakpede agbelede laun le planting for food and jobs mi sebe o take be wa de dam da o yoke awebe agbelede la wa te wa da agbele le kudi di fere yi ya o me ha wakpochi eyike dodo no be wakonu yoke hia ike mi yobe input akokpede agbelede la won be wa da agbele dodo ya ne mi le nyu edede tomatoes mado agbogbo le Ghana mi anovio wa kpofele le Ghana akoyi mi afasi o me avajirawa e wa hia be wa ga take risk azomo legbe ai Burkina Faso afi ava ƒle tomatosa ne mi le ɖoɖo yawo nyuie ɖe ɖi ne enukpɔ do agbɔgbɔ le mia gbɔ ɖe miawo krɔ ma dzra na dukɔ bubu ahia be miagava nɔ Burkina Faso yi le tomatoes ƒe akpa dzi eye ne ɖo Sabɔla ƒe akpa dzia mi yɛ Niger kple etɔwo nu ka tututu wɔ miaƒe dziɖuɖuwo le mebe dziɖuɖuwo NPP NDC eya ƒe nyagblɔ me le be miatu agbledenyawo ɖe dzi wu ele yi ke ho le fifi la. It's a wake up call na miaƒe ŋgɔnɔlawo be no be woawɔ ɖoɖo ɖe mi dumeviwo ɖe ɖoɖowo ne de megblɔ ɖam ɖeɖe ƒe nya ɖame ɖewo ho ɖe ɖi mi kpɔe le TV dzi etsi meli ɖe me wòde ŋkeke ɖeke o gake wokɔ miaƒe adzɔga ame yiwo ke aɖo ʋua yi teƒe didima ava dzɔ asi ava xe adzɔga vovovowo ƒe gawo ƒoƒu ya wokɔ de ewo dudɔnunɔla si be va wɔ dɔ ne wòaɖe vi na mi ke amegbetɔ akɔ ta gbɔ sesẽ kple ŋuta sesẽ le nɔvie ŋu ko ava wɔ nane be ne ɖi nane eyi ke viɖe gobi ma do tso mo eƒe viɖe ɖewoe ke kpɔ mi le ta maɖe kuku na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be ɖoɖo yiwo ke wode tome ɖe agbledede ŋu vevietɔ eyi ke wònye enuɖuɖu ƒe nya ŋu nɔvi yawo zɔ hafi woƒe agbe le metsi eye ɖewo zu abixɔlawoa no dzagbagba ne woakpe ɖe miaƒe agbledede la ŋu woado ŋusẽ wo to emɔ ɖe sia ɖe yi ke hiã nu be agbledede ne zu nane yi ke anye viɖe nu be ame geɖewo woaƒo ta ɖe me ekema miaƒe nuɖuɖu ƒe dedienɔnɔ nuɖuɖu ƒe agbɔgbɔdodo kple dumeviwo ƒe dedienɔnɔa miate ŋu agblɔ be ele guaranteed le ya megbe ya la nu yawo tɔgbi mianɔ mɔ kpɔ nɛ elabe mi have control ɖe ame miwo ke wɔ mɔ dzi o eye fifi la kura menye amewo wonya alo wolé pɔti le woagblɔ be woahe wo va ʋɔnu be woahe to na wo ta mayi dzi magado baba na nɔvi yiwo ke eyi nugbe to enuwɔna ya me eye mado baba na nɔvi yiwo ke ne xɔ abi eye wole dɔyɔ xɔ mixɔe se be Mawu ade asi me be woakpɔ lãmesesẽ eye woaga akpe ɖe miawo be mía pete míatu Ghana abe le yi ke mi di ene.
Yo akpe honorable ewoe dɔm ewoe va velia dom nam le míaƒe ŋdiɔna dzi le Vegbã TV ke madzi be mabia wo nya ɖe ewɔ abe dunyahela yi ke de ŋu dziɖuɖu ƒe nyawo me ƒogbẽ aɖewo nye nukawoe le kpɔ de dzesi be wɔwoe nye vevesesewo alo taɖodzi ŋuwo yiwo ke le gbadagba dzaglã yawo alo gbadagba maxɔxexe yawo si hafi wonɔ nu vɔ̃ɖi wɔm nuke miata srɔ̃ abe dukɔ ene tso ame yawo ƒe nuwɔna le du yawo me tɔtɔtɔ edu yiwo ke me Islam le menyo be mianɔ dzixɔse nyawo kɔm de nya me kaka akpɔ be ame yawo ŋɔ kɔ alo wokura no se ko be Allah Akbar nukae miata srɔ̃ afɔkawo miata ɖe kple su be ame gblẽku yawo ƒe nuwɔna mava age ɖe miaƒe dukɔ me.
Yo etɔni megble do ŋgɔ ekpɔa egbã edɔwɔɖui ƒe anyimanɔmanɔ eya ta wòhiã be mía anɔ mo xexi when it comes to issues of agbebolo mía ƒetea mi mate ŋu akpɔ dɔ le dziɖuɖu dɔwɔƒewo lo alo ɖokuisi dɔwɔƒe eyiwo ke le o gake Mawu na aɖaŋu ame sia ame ta ne asinudɔ wɔwɔwo le yi ke engage amewo be woawɔ nɔ nane wɔ eye woakpɔ woƒe agbeboloa ame yawo womava nye ame dzeaglãwo eye ke anɔ edume ko anɔ nugbegblẽ o. Evelia nye be ame ɖewoa woge ɖe gbadagbadɔ me pɛpɛpɛ kake condition of service nu yiwo ke nye vide ole be wa kpo le ofe do me o me kpo ne o ke no wone ne makwa ame over jagana ke eike onya wo kogege onya tu eye onya zazanta no nya geda bloji kwa eke ba elebe wa ko ofe do wonu na wa ajenu ma je gaji o fe wowo bubu eye ma ne to ati amede ogbu ibe nu yo keji yo hosea ekwasi wu eyi keji yo no vi hose ta frache ne amede nye Kristo ji hosela eyi kemi yo be Christians le English be me ele kpo be ife sobo eya nye nyueto eya ta anye jizizi be yazi ame yo kele sobo bubu me jibe wa ha wa ho ife sobo akodemi eya tafrache journal Islamic State okun efike wo de hale ne mi follow nya jojowa akpobe tefe mawo be amo gede sobo bubu meta na mo lo fe sobo fe okwa be wa ole bube yo fe sobo nye nyueto onye jizizi ba mesia mene hoede meta ne menya hoede ma okwa ke ezro fe futo eya ma agbalo dada to ebe legana mi hoede me be sobo po me vivo ole eyi ke nyuna amesia me eya hoede me be ya sobo eya tane amedenye tafrache amedenye vedu subola amedenye Kristo subola amede hanye Islam towa ne edibe ya na novi ne gede wo subo ma menye jizizio ehia nufafia bele numedede menoblo zigede be mi akata mata onye Kristo ji hosela wo ne mi apete ko aminye Kristo ji hosela o cha subo fe tefe de ka mata wanu anyi ke mi agbolobe le podo me Tony congregation yako enye Christopher subo ikejimi hoseta watu gbedo ho gan de ka mi gana to pete ke ho Tony congregation pre subo jise ha mi ava de tagule subo ho de ka ma me ma jo gbedo ta ejebe mi ase gomebe to gbobe mi nye subo vovovo menolawo ha nande ikega le mi bala vivide nye gana to fe nyenye pele edume alo amegbeto fe nyenye ke mawo mi afete kwa minye amegbeto ta ejebe mi akwedeme be ne novile ekpesubo eyewela tisubo ha nu ikeji ha hosenye mata manye jizizi be na zieji kokoko be ne wagede ife subo hia be jidudu oche abele ike megbeledo ngwa wa kpogbo be le yo fe bobolo dodo ple dodo wo de dupopolo ma dowodui nenye na ike anye atic center stage anye na ike anye nu vi odo metodika nenye be ame okpodo the condition of service enye nu vivide ela be ame yo ka wo hena etu freza za nenye be o jagala o jole dome elabe o mele vide gobi le dome kpoa no geda baloji anu ya togyo ya no popo tatoni enu ya fe de o mekpo be wa wenye kuhie nu ye oke ole be mi awo efe de we ma megbelo enya be bubu ha wa ga no megbe wa no mi afe enu pala osi oke wa adodato ofe gbedasi o me ka kenya ya wa onye nya veveyo ole be mi ale kpo be enya von enya madame ji ya otobia ni maga no ose
Yo Kodo message Rami, is this not a clear handwork of the French? Evil people hiring mercenaries, disguising them as Muslims? Kodo message da Prince do message Rabbi, if you love cool, go and live in Burkina Faso, Mali, or Niger. Oh, wow. Okay, you must say message Magomo. All right, Agali, domestic driver, the religion is not only a problem, it is satanic. If it is not satanic, why are all these Arab countries with plenty money not pooling their resources and efforts together to clear out these jihadis, monsters who are showing their religion to be barbaric? Even as their Gaza brothers and sisters are slaughtered daily by Israel, you see these wealthy Arab countries doing regular business with America without openly voicing out their outrage. They are simply satanic money lovers. That's all. I got your message here. Okay, so message you have a cool or local to Koema. You may not be able to go a poor Africa to cover Burkina Faso soldier from Jirume, many Traria. Da doma here, but I got on her obedient Trarinchi over Sasa Demphia. When you many Kadudoke, Alotarichikan Ano, Ghana, Tow, Powumo, I wrote you by American Ashichalaya or Gato, Yuba Gallo, Washimo. You see, it's very complex. Security issue, and this is very, very complex. The New York Blomi, New York Clemil, Tokrajimia, Lempura. The religion is not only a problem. When you Jehoshaphat reconnaît over Kuheraka, over Abosam, Arubobovon, Bobovon, la Meome. A few more Malaka. Jigera Koba, Ameo, Onyamilko, Professor Sagada Legino. Me guy you phone, me trova Ghana, Fia, na grow me up dark days in Ghana. You know, JJ. JJ very Truth and Reconciliation Commission in 2006. Those were dark days. JJ Blanya. Vivichio do the Ghana po ikawa menado kwa kwa. So Java tudu abuyo yogbonebe American di. So Java American di. Agbona bo afia American di ne anon. Ko meta baba ma so Java gbaji ogo. Enya make phone American deal fia na manoi ko abe gbavu jibe anomo na mecha de tuko pai ko de New York ta ojo le Ghana ha judge so from dollar robu basere fifia memanye afike oto ta enwojona amoyimo loko ba sebo oku na kula mama ma shirege mo na gbobo Bobo Fuma Torana Puta, Cachacha Camalio, no Puma Toracota, Odiama. A muy gifo, Tanemi Fuma Baba Puma Mutakapanya, Brock Pira, Migano, I'm a cuckoo fashion for no tata, Mam Layaumo. Maybe I jammer Miasrona Nacho, one Kaya Yamio. The first vivo. Toto egbegboglo egbe abaleke le Ghana fia miom jagba mi o dole mi atonchi idakpene Jose Howe Peace Council National Commission for Civic Education, even Ghana Education Service, media especially. Media especially. Amomo pona mi apono bani. Na itutsi school of Hutu so radio presenter, radio host ikepon call ya those days no be ko komisanyo ifon ko dina mako be shago ko no fun ko ano abe mi le voter jifia wa onye boduma tonwo bele anwon kun ave no ho li ava ke mi chok mi yo mo ha bele wuli afi guanso ho li ta mi choba amuntu ya ma nye ntore ka ko na no fun ko ayo guanso aba mi ko le tafi to ko ano khode yomno la ngama jola Ghana tamina shi Ghana shi le du koma ma ame odi onya gbagla ja nyama ko no go plan pe shoji e va zo aba ta vevese dodone amenoni toto amekeme wo degbedomo atu abeke mianye vao ta minyo enye blo ta minyo pele fefesese ke o hena binamo e anye underlying factor de pa because na in Nigeria for instance amekele jogbaja wo suku de demaru bonemo won to ba caliphate won to ba chiefs won to ba nunolo zongo chiefs o sarekio o chachitere suku de dema maimo obona Quran lo na di makranta na recite Quran fine eko akai yevu pa suku de reba bo me lorejo kama kabale suku mo de demrashi Yoruba okun na ifu mo sharma kulele Nigeria professor le Yoruba pu mo me kai ka ko ba de ma me ko ba de school ba ngoi Igbo choshi chacha kaka akpobe never do parliament alo senate ali ofunwa ezudo ali odo yevugba ezudo tabeke o no bo yosubo your way ndudu won chugba chin ndudu ale afi Lagos petoba kaka never do national cake ma yo mana na ke pomo ta vfsisi ade yike ame agalifanya gbomoji ma po satanic ma glomola majiwa ma I work with it am vfsisi ade ke bo munyame menya ka na describe amu anu vfsam do no a general me politics man to MPP fa koyo dan twa wo de doma akofo amaro mfuma abeke ni imudujo na ne konya jo afu buka ka ba ubua nkeyanga nke mo kata ke voice ke is ebe ne $2 niashi ne duko ko covid atagba de do mo khu ye mi on to mu ya seji no la na mo nyu aro yo ya mi no kron the message as doli manyane okay the couple Fulani and Muslim terrorism Ghanaians must be careful with some of the political parties. Arrest my case message achubo garo message Fulani and Muslim terrorism I don't have the competence to know the Fulani Muslim pengwio kaka o message am clean do here strong ane about Fulani and Muslim terrorism. Ghanaians must be careful with some of the political parties. Arrest my case. Political parties. Okay, so me na shama. America kwenye SA kwenye panko. But the government needs to speak to the nation on this as soon as possible. It is about 48 hours without proper communication. Telling the people of Ghana what the hell is going on and what measures are put in place to hunt down terrorism organizations. The bandits that killed the 7 Ghanaians. Ghanaians are killed. Their lives matters. And we want to know and understand how and why, period. We need to hear from the president on this national tragedy. But if you say president must speak and you say why they were killed, immediately the president will not be the one to be able to. But so when as a government, I'm going to to corporate but that information, even if the president will speak to it, that information is not handy. Don't me wow you born information through Muntaka. So I think that information gathering process is ongoing.
Enyama kwa mebema aglobe dukopo la matewa no tefe okatanga eseayu eyatawa delegate part of efe musen kona amayukele dudonu ni tananyebe onobo Muntaka hefonu cho ewona wa efia be dukopo la eyema fonu cho emu kakeno menya his excellency John Dramani Mahama ne hiabe eanto ne fonu cho nenyebe ohonu cho katanva afonu chung kake enya madamaji ike o ya be mi apete mi aglowe enya awona menyu.
All right, the orangutan state minna mi apon kontolo mi onglo mi la musa so onglo mi la nya. This topics are very delicate and complicated story. I need your phone about the orangutan yakasa. The orangutan state. So just that organizing a formidable West African force looks so complex for our ECOWAS group to command If not, how can these terrorists get upper hand, always tormenting us? The more our leaders wait, the more they are becoming stronger and more difficult to handle. There must be a force now that their annual meetings don't yield. There must be a force now. I think you are saying now that their annual meetings don't yield anything positive, but waste of money. Difficult comments. Because were religion of peace indeed. I wonder how blinded the people are and lack discernment. Lord, have mercy. Okay, Abigail Maklato, I think we're the last one on this matter. Ghana, let's grow our own. Simple. Agriculture minister, please, let's grow our own. This is too much. You see, this Abigail message are going back. Is it a question of let's grow our own? The Mimata Anye Island. You see, we can't be an island. Mimata go terrorists who nane le Burkina Faso ta. Need the tomatoes bele. Name like Burkina Faso plananeko. Because that would be, excuse my language, simplistic. But yes, you banto Ghanaian so Burkina Faso yema. Where yes, you banto Ghana to Burkina Faso yema. Aw. Ye Ghana to le dukofu me. Ghana vio kukumbe shagwe. Mise. No Ghana viare dare moto le Port Harcourt India mimanya. No Ghana viare le Iran fifila mimanya. Le Ghana viare tule le Ukraine mimanya. So the question is beyond Diofiasem. I don't know. Koko kwa Ghana viare le fiare menye tomato shi chacha de dekwe nanage Ghana vina idukoremu. Suku dede edo only vovo iketa Ghana vile dukovo. So I think it's a security issue.
Yeah,
and I think let's seize our messages on this matter. Let's go into something else. Okay, I want you to conclude on that.
Egbedasi de ike no vide duda. Eyaji kumebe matoda. Benya tefe miape Africa lo miape West Africa pe dikawo. Nenyebe miakbo epe videa. These are some of the areas ike olebe miakbo ele. Elabe miape duko vuvume viwa ole duko bubu ome. Abele ike nebele. Ufe dede nonoa. Enyena ne ike ehia. Elabe egbe o Ghana viwa me adre le Burkina Faso. Ne jogwe vwento amede medudo kwejo yo seveve ko Burkina Faso to deche ele Ghana ne ganye de kaikora uko veve sesema ko yokova de ya chefa gbeda ne menya oko ezo original conflict egede mia ode domi ta ejepe miabe Africa pofu alo West Africa pofu ope haboboa nya bobo alenkude eleike mia de abomena miano be didi no pe nyawa wa kpongusele miape enmoto mewe be eleike milagbabaje be miape katatia le suku dete ajododo bele enuno amesibobu even human resource we mama kle miano okra newa akpongusele nyoma avano megbere didi no penya yawo na wava gbele afford de nyu ya mota me fo abota na no vi ke edogbeda sida etegbere eleike olebe mi afa gododo kaba lo down dede kaba le ECOWAS lo alo EU fe level be mi akpoda be nuka o mi awo be enu majekaji ya ona wado le mi ado ma me fo abota ne no vi.
All right. Mia fonu pola fo ga sheke minute andre ke nya zoronga apo nya do yo ke o ga di nya gbanto Kotoka airport fo nya nko so Kotoka airport ga foro reji ke transport minister lo miaƒe dziɖuɖu dɔmega yi ke kpɔna miaƒe yi kple gbɔgbɔ dzi le Ghana eƒo ŋutsɔ madzi be mia akpo message aɖe. Renaming Kotoka Airport key to reviving national airline transport minister. Renaming Kotoka Airport key to reviving national airline transport minister. The government has announced that the proposed renaming of the Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport forms part of a broader strategy to re-establish a national airline. According to Transport Minister Joseph Bukari Nikbe, the move represents a strategic reset aimed at redefining Ghana's aviation positioning within the West African sub-region. Speaking at the launch of the 40th anniversary of the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority on Monday, February 16, Mr. Nikbe stressed that the proposed rebranding of the country's main international gateway is not merely cosmetic but foundational to reviving a national carrier expected to begin operations in the coming months. We are working hard, as I said, to name Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. And we believe that this will be successful. And when it's done, it will now create space and room for us to be able to re-establish the national air carrier that we Ghanaians all yearn for. The government announced on February 3, 2025, of plans to rename Kotoka International Airport to as Accra International Airport. The change, Majority Leader Mama Yariga said, will be affected through legislation to be presented by the Minister for Transport. Miaƒe nukpɔla, miaƒe dudɔ megã yi ke kpɔna miaƒe yi kple gbɔgbɔ dzi le mɔwo dzi o, le yawo mɔ, ketekewo, tsaƒuwo dzi o. Ŋkɔe nye Honorable Nikbe Joseph Bukari Nikbe gblɔ le takpekpe aɖe yi ke wòwɔ kple yameʋutsitsalawo kple yameʋudɔwɔƒewo le Ghana be hiã be yewoaɖo li ŋkɔ ne Kotoka International Airport ava Accra International Airport. Ne wowɔe nenema ke dziɖuɖu ƒe dɔwɔƒe kpɔna yameʋutsitsatsa dzi agbugbɔ ali ke ta reset alo edu gbogbo tu wɔna yiwo ke dukɔkplɔla de tome ƒe ɖe nyia ta ehiã be ŋkɔ ɖatrɔ. Honorable.
Yeah, Tony.
Mmekpotsi adze nya nya gblɔm me le eya susu gblɔm me nuyo nya ye gblɔm me. Kotoka International Airport ƒe ŋkɔtsɔtsɔ kple tɔ ɖi menye mía gbeviwo ƒe enyanyo, nye nane ke li xoxoxo. Susu aɖe tae wo teƒe ma yɔm be Kotoka International Airport o. Enyigba gɔme medzi bena ɖe fi ma medzi míadze gɔme tsoe ma. Ta me kpotsi ga adze nya me kɔ anɔ NDC MPP hɔn kple nya. Ŋka tae woyɔ Ghana yameʋudzeƒe gã yi ke le dze be Kotoka International Airport. Nke nafi ŋkɔ ba li ke va se ɖe fifia.
Yo, Tony. Ne míaƒe ŋku anɔ dzia abe enya ya edze fɔfɔ ɖe te. Ede abe ɣleti ɖeka la ƒo vɔ eki. Now, ma agagblẽ le yava la ya hã dzi be eyi ke nya fɔ ɖe te gbã me gblɔ be menye be menye eveawo ta ya ta nye ma ada si ɖe ŋkɔ ƒe tɔtrɔ dzi o, unless otherwise enume ɖeɖe va eye eme kɔ na mo wo ta me gblɔ at the time le platform yo ka me pojibe enye na bia ma is a misplaced priority me here. Now, nu ike ta megbele da nye be enyanu de wa wenye be General Kotoka de later nu ike ta wa di be nu de pen koda nye be enoku ewowo me ike overthrow Kwame Nkrumah pe ejidudu
emi gbana kpama igelo aka nya tutu mo jima nako awo gomoro kwanya bari nkaina wote pa yomba Kotoka
fema ma megbona
na tanwe na makoka ngmede da azonre ruworan chi
okay
nkata wote pa yomba Kotoka nta kota nkata o chianyi le dankwa busia jidudu fo doplongoli badagbao fo doplongoli Rawlings, Mills, Mahama, for tradition, for duplongoli, le duplongoli kata yung manya joy mai mako. Nkoma chianyi vuva seregba. Finye nyagbanto majima bia kong afima bayi nkata nyomi twebe a pacheche malo totete male yoshibe yo miaro.
Tony, enyama bo tututu meyina. Alebe history efiami be menye General Kotoka de ka eye woku afi wo the former president Kwame Nkrumah da ke no ike va join be le FDK eke wonya Nkrumah jo le Ghana vobegbe history na menya be General Kotoka eva kpo be no ngoi do yo kene noji eke Kwame Nkrumah nozijia yo mete uno abele ike Kwame Nkrumah no to bobe le wa office sunu obuibe na na ole ike Kwame Nkrumah no rema yome ike meso na dume vi opeti ocha ekpo eba dejes yebe ele ike Ghana l'Africa no so de le rema yome a ezo de ma mega no yi le fedika ike onya Nkrumah ta eya do edabe ne wanyoa ne yiwa bubo yo Kwame Nkrumah ako ejoko desi le enyama fe gbogbolo ma ya history fi ami me sona amede o yoke wo pele wo onodu popolo ji le ma yimo e ata o ahia be wa va de fa gbeda e te fe ike o de fa gbeda egbe te fe ma e ya ezu forecourt na ni fe airport e ike le gen ike mi obe Kotoka International Airport de agbe ike wo de neda le tefe mata ya oko bubute dema numa eya menya ya oko bubute dema kona airport abe amede ike hezu vosanle vi be wakono nku ahlomi akono bubudemu eya enabe nkoma no anyi so e ma yume kaka vado egbe ike Adam de galevava bewa adolin koni Tony
yo akpe majiba na gagbo da akpa ma menye ni ba Nkrumah Kotoka nongona ku taka yin tomo uroku idu koklola ena General Ankra Hosea ayo kwa aire Britain UK nyajojo kakalo bienya but nkena fi onongona ku taka mo Hosea ebe yemenya administrator yemasroncho aleke wo manage na onye na do ma ga no na do nwu onye nmeso abagbadagbanya tutada afulele bele agla jeje tetere tu yenwu yeso ta de koyo pe jeje sibe Ghana du kokata ma Ghana onyo ta aleke Nkrumah konkono de dim ono mtepo e ba kadi okeklema kadia abano chichin ba nwomo gagblon yeta yo ba gbada pa ho na yo khudwa aka amoyoka ye courage bota trudu kwa lota produa echo tafia dasino now you see me mean your bro because amarumunye history am more le parliament nyata daro ko blomore Now, all your nana be decimation along my to my background like Ghana military no go decimate menya ke mo ya fanoje kotoka yo wivoade the only from kodeng nani that's decimation in military kaka nkata owedo
Odigbo amia.
kota owedo nkata banko toka wokuru lope nkpokpo chima alole maima the current jejeze word ma ayo truth and reconciliation committee there is a current in the nation that builds up that builds up current if you current yapopo yahojuare jogbogboare ye yinajile to come up kaka dona te pare afino be kunajo wa fla afia no successful awajo ta no go cool to kore me ye do quite successful there must be enough socio-economic and socio-political upheaval or current that builds up to sustain that coup. If not, the coup will fail. Tamamo le parliament mpom yoke menko strong wafi jichim no bojili no nem miaso and NDC ton nya na yinan. Na enough current or enough satisfaction mele do come no wo kwa fail lang market it will be foiled. And I'm a mokata, oh, yam coin and a firing squad. That decimation, a job. Nay, Major Samuel Doe, Liberia, Ihan and Nama, Tobet, how Oblo, where you meeting have the Markamanga too. Yeko, I make a legina to Copola, I'm a culturancio. Kotobet, how but that boy over Doko too, or the two that overpower sitting head of state, which is military strategy, tactics. O setone kodeng meni o sento ko to kodeng meni o wi na ya baro je pa maka je makale ta yo wi a do dira bang o lama le o fa military tradition ma a shama abe aduame onye soldier akodara gbaji la mama enye decimation efe bu digbo ya wu sham gakono ba poe megbebe awa amama bonwa eno avuwom de yota ogbona dena bubu amang yenye immortalization ta nko dadade Kotoka International Airport ji le emaima after owu Kotoka yenye immortalization abo ko ne do me de Kwame Nkrumah pe one party state iko vawo ikebe glorema gaba no nyo na benya je nya bro me fi amara ta fo nya tumo ba lema ngake ne de ma wumma nima usroga bukaka afia ba po fourth republican democracy ikele nya shifia ikan note pe gbogbo engbegbe wo pe ensosron tume pele fu dada ka covid soja kata wo okode se bonu fia mu ya ba ro fia jeje nto plenty mo kata me shama kwe dem de o se build up democracy here yeta Ghana laleka ta kwado li kami fa egrade the prices we paid for twado li mihe afiba rafia gba that is one of the prices ta in military practice bubu dede amenti onye eta soja de ke makashi nyancho now no wo eku emaima ameko jebo pojijo nye dan kwa busia tradition alabe obi na zabe le professor Yanka fongo ngomo be dan kwa busia toyo efebe MPP to be yo MPP o togbi o fi to fi na Interpol ikenye hikakata fo bovito habobo ikenye secret agency o na doga kama nya boli domo police CIA Central Intelligence Agency onya me okenye togaton o fina to fina o kuna ngala chama de hikakata me o bibe o re kapakulo kaka kutoka glole UK ba awo o mo re kapakulo yo police o hali how ikenye IGP mama yo wo dodo ya kako binazabe UP tradition ya ikenye UGCC ikeme Nkrumah dogola o munyina komo ta enye kichono kaka eike Busia Vazu Prime Minister in the Second Republic me gbobe kotoka me enya me vuyo ela be no do me de kotoka rawa ye ha me gbona to koplogo ta both UP tradition ple Rawlings Mills tradition kata omo kasi nyango Kufuor Nana omo kasi nyango kanye current ikale dukwa mafia alo fofose se ikale dukwa mafia pa ike anabe obo de ko makije shi kotoka to gba me so yo
Tony
enya o bialo
Tony ekwa enya pe veve towe mai fodete ne ekuma yuke general kotoka no me do me wo kuma wa me karejibe egbe ni avado efi ke edumevi akponse kwa criticize government ni me karejibe egbe ni akpo opposition party o wanu anyi ano government platform ledemoji be mo ike mito yina menu eta ehia be mia agbova no dusi melo alo mia agbova mia me ni me karejibe enu mato gbe ke ayijo ta enye mele bobe enu ya fe wa menye political party ogake ame ha chocho dewo yoke enye onu popo ema o ma de political party so pe teme enye mele po abe wa fe abidodo elenu ya kove mind you be similar no ya jole run lesson tokram na be 31st December celebration platowa amema oto aye modern aye o gbogbo be o maga ko duko pe ga bele ikemi du ne ko lo nko jibe mi anya fi ikemi cho afi va do fi egbe pele fi ikemi yina o to mo de sia den ala be celebration efifia evazo NDC enu be celebration ko kake enu ike nu va nyenye ike alo va nyenye ike do le eku ya ofe wo me mi mele wa opo evo neku ma odo me no vajiwa efi ike mi le gba ni me kwese be mi ado ta like me glodungo menye be menye eve ya ota gake egbe ya general kotoka ple ehati ofe afodere ma enami monu popo be egbe ha nenye o party mele jido che ha egbe le miasi enami monu popo be even ne party wele jido eye wo beno da fode ike menyu na wa bele ike mele gbolo waten ava ade gbolo be afode de ya enye aba America meso na mu eye nye me da sideju unless otherwise megale gbolo ike nu me de bubu deva abele ike wo le cover be enye do methodika be wa bubu agbo agbe nyafe aviation industry ike nyafe airline ike no miase bai na waga bubu va enye afford de odo methodika yes enye aba medical mekho egbo ne afford de bubu va over the vie abe ele ike wole gbolo mi adumevi akpaganta o mi aton akpo agbolo be yes afford de edevia ekema matrova ada side nkope totroji madota frache na mi afenu kola kule nya sela obe enya gbanto ike me gbolo be nyebe da side ji wa medele tome okay for now amedeke me convince me hadeo eta
medile toma leke nkeda ne toma
meglobe medele toma mebe nege yeva afford de yoke obe wade be wa revive alo a reset mi apa aviation industry nenye ba afford de over mikpo afford de pe video ekema matrova avadota frache be nya gbanto ike megbola medele toma ga ke fifi lala methode fi ike melebe is a misplaced priority nyeme da sidejio miano mokpo alo mano mokpo be minister kple ameyo kenyanu yo kemimenyawa na wado agava de nu menamiu afford de yo ke gome oje ne wade kabakaba nemikpo epevide eyo devinamia ekema enye ma hwede mebe nkototroa nyatrega ke assistance na wa nyeme da sidejio nyema hwede mebe na wa atronko melegblobe menye ebe ota no nye jogbejito tepe de sia de ka medecho enye Ghana to he tonu ya me eye wo le bobo ma denwa ma de megbe ne be bobo de ma ne wa no ela be nya nya menya e cho me ike ele ngonyo do hina ne avajo e cho pe megbe e ike wa di be no wa de bobo ya to be nmunye ne ameyo ke me no anyi la nyu gbenu he nya mo wa ha wa vasa na ne chuni ne nye bo de nko da kwa bobo de ma vo ta kotoka pe nko pe to tro ya ni me da se de jiwo
yo akpe nyasara kplem kpolo akpar krama jiwo mango nya twenye be meke bui alo nya be kotoka va wo anya go se me anya do si nemi argument do kra nemi ro fiera mia cho traba ko dangbe kotoka Nkrumah nye president alo head of state adeke o dokla va wo gbedema potufa agama anya go se koju agbali gbedema potufa agama BOG boss yom afi minister nye agric ikegawo do aba ipa parent technically ko vice president Nsromile vice president no Nkrumah shiolu aka ameko wo dowo a nye koju ikenye koju agbali bedema ameko ko dare Bank of Ghana va so na be maimo sukudede enye ntohiare kenye va o konto egba me chance kudem eme ne sinakareje ta ebo kon ye no Nkrumah pe government nchi ta ne enwanye tribalistic nye gbegbogbo pe nyaonya ke government ke ojebo da shinchi bo no fma tegbe a nenye vinyenye kwenye nya agba nenye mukoko male nyamo nenye mmakuku you know if politics is not a science day kemi che mi akpo Nkrumah ro la be ne mo popo va wo ta ne kotoka va de Nkrumah da anya va ore eje be mi akpo je be nano yiji e mai ke mi agbe so he o mi am ke yobins won parliament nano li ke mi manya ne yisuku ho ne history political history class on fia bukaka nano li there's no conclusion on them enya nyareka nkana fi nkolike. That is the question. We don't have legitimacy. You cannot be colleague. Me either to call me. In South Africa, Aro Tambo Airport when left man. Nigeria. Nko Murtala Airport. Okunko Dare Airport yoji. Many nye yike le toke le Ghana. Necha make a won tepe le mo adenko. Ozana efanko ele hika kata F Kennedy Airport li. Many nye yareko. Kenya zorango minister anya magbomulere ta amare roba dosre jibe kotoka fon ko dadare pota ita Ghana Airways turo ke yoko ya mobo da ya mobo jopo o mo hoga po ya mobo mo yopo afi won to fe gazaza lo mazamaza plan fitifiti o yiji misebu ya mobo ro le pajifu kakakaka mi afi ko wa buro na yide airport na cho airport shagona ya mobo ro la kuma ozo monument
o le bia jirale de o
le bia jirale dome ta yo ina ya movo plege kotoka pon ko magblen na ke chomo yo do doba kotoka pon ko magblen ke e ya movo chacha yi hi ka kata na ke mu e ke company agba aben sawan cannery gba abale ke ko factory gbogbo yi ke Nkrumah do kra ogba ta Nkrumah yi ke de da yi ke nye democratic ke nya ko mawu Nkrumah pe factory shoe factory ke no akachi afi ye ha gba poalogu north
yo ke le Japan namde
Japan textile factory eha gbata nkoto he amele Japan factory ratio ye kotoka international airport ye nanage kotoka ye nan dedera ye nanage Ghana Airways na forek ye Nkrumah ponko mena Japan textile factory leto. Is that a sensible argument to make as a minister?
Tony, we am Magbaladongo be and you may believe that there are some unseen hands. Ayoke le no yeme Magbaladongo be ameyawa amehwesebe umade edunya bolo ha opetime mehwesebe legema yome nenye the late former president JJ Rolong he watch our FN corner UDS vado bea amema wato mo de siaden be ne wado le nkoni de no yike pomile Magagbele ha be do he minister bele ameyoke mi mele kokoa onyana ne oyoke mi menya hade
enye ntao
ano dova nova de o menami ne Bled dobo buyo ke he obe elemegbe be wa ko a research industry nowhere mi kpo be vire la mi ameyo ke me honya ya demo wa mi avava ade kukuna mi ahwe deme ga ke fifi la ya di omega do fufulu gba na mi melegbe gbogbolo pe nya gbolo ga ke be mi ade bubu general kotoka de late enwu abele ike wono efe gbogbo wa no da se nkoma nenu dodo bubu yo ke hobe elemegbe be wa ko a research industry de ni da se de no he da na mi ga ke menye nkope totoro mi me kwese be nkope totoro ya na be industry a thrive lo otherwise ota mi de kuku no da se la pama mega bole kebe personally I think it's a misplaced priority.
Journalists so have strong, politicians or no politicians more strong than Nyagore. Journalists are not strong. You see, and Nyaya kata rukule simple. Constitution am very nkrumaza. Constitution banto e koko for independence a the mobile dako. Aka nkruma ba true constitution a. Be umoga kodago. Yaya no jiji tegbe. Fifi aka make nkruma regara. Now, nkruma and a leader of government business, so 1951. Afi Vazo, head of state and prime minister, like 1957. It tell me do na republic day. I want you to vote to the republic day, independence day. Ni ketao nya momo sengi ogom. Ta emi Vazo republica o da simianchi azon fully. Okay. Fifia ojobenka. I'm elected representatives on that plomi in a republic. If you are never whole republic vote, if you vote crossi, dashing shanty, or dash over the opontino, champ preseka, yavu in your headmaster, principal, yavu, amateur training college, yavu, Maudi Afia, toast in your federal, yavu so to bob me independence, yavu gano dopon alaboma, yapon me yantutu. We were not good administrators in their estimation. It taube okosukuye ya deve. But me shall to school kaba no so administration. You remember white collar job. Me shall not the school kaba alebe nyas administrator so. Ye kutoka be yaya imenya administrator. Kakede. Ese agbobo no dako. Kaka wone true constitutional. Ye miape pledge be alo antembe we should resist oppressors rule. Ye kutoka resist oppression ma reinstate. Alabe yova o me no enjijo. Ye ko wa wo election. No election kwa ko dashi dwanchi na busi akbo. Ta nkuma ekenye kuli that to go see that's what media cheap media is doing especially in Accra. Ogbogbe was nkuma ke obi en of yaka no yabe you are a leader. The view susue malo nganyamanya malo. Kwa de do produa alo do ko akodashi because the current abaleke jejegle. E maima ni jima molenye change taroko trigger change aiko dashinchi. Yeko do have a election and a new order which allows for election to come back. Ni akonje be dwananya nyema kutoka jidemo. In any case na legia. Giao mo nyaba kutoka imeno school legona no be kutoka saleken course kutoka. Giao nyaba how. So he get unless minya agbon fiafi onyagbe bawe alakpla fia kwa macho alakpla ne na savie tula fia dabla junction to dabla kwa alakpla na imiame daka nobody talks about that and nobody even cares about that da nyema gbogbombe na matro apanyo makinchi play MPP nchi apanyo makin happen for I want us to do something on that abekere na ndisi won shanwa koko kwaji bo oppose already yin akagbon NDC la NDC gbonu glo kata majishi mo doje player o mo mama nsem tututu ka pa mi makin agba o me no logo ta an connect yan ever you are coming from a tradition that never believed in coups. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Only elite tradition whatever independence at the shortest possible time. That independence are minute bojidi, so they also don't believe in coup leader anyway. But the style you can Zanko for independence, it was more than a coup. And yet Christian Borg shooting, and yet two yoko damole le Christian Borg afia, and yet Dogocho airport in the Kia Sepstore where Fico Lena Vudanaro, can let do to airport in around area many Christian but you bar your over shop dope America yento you more big siso katao no more. They were very very tough rugged guy because Nkrumah had some communist mentality, I don't know, and they believe that the Workers' Party can trigger enough revolution and topple government. And you, the MPP, you don't even believe in force. I don't get it. This is not a question about. I don't. And
maybe we have I mention the sister platform there, but though I'm making let me up the women again. Sankara Circle. Sankara menya Ghana towe yo.
Thomas Sankara Burkina Faso. President Yeko.
Kake ode bobomu. Belen kode. Ya me de kai ma ha mega wolo be 31st December celebration plato. Ame ma pete o no anyede o ape o de loya oda. O me hoji se o de tanuka egbe ovale doctor abeya kra do le fafana miwo ameyo kenye amekuputo minya be mi apevi onye minya ba penyo ma kenye apevi onye kakele ge mayo menu kata me phone de amema o ya nu abe former president Rawlings Plato onye egbe ko ho vado efi because ela opposition ta odibe agbelonya de no ne mi akpo yo pe nyenye lege ma yo meke wono government were look at a mess efegbe ugolo be no afọ ikemi ato afọ yo kemi be mi adede ava de bubu the former president kule ameyoke he wodoma mi le gbolo de nu yoke amo wo baidi video do chome and nade necessitate afọ ma obedede ne meka de jibe egbe hemi le fikura mi be mi le democracy practice le fourth republic cry edu kokolo mele vivina medewo and the number that not board enough. Egbe, hey, ava there for the evoneto miataya. Megala mopo be miaga yin keke maumo. Kake na mede he ava there for the eike emegbe edu agava nyowule ike wo le fifie. Mahia be miakwa bota na mema. To bobe la for the me anya do afo amede oji anya deve versus amede o. Fe amede o agbeche anya time. Kake nenu ike hekpo amie no ike mi amesboto me no kpo ya ovada for en modo dego he was o de vide de miaga no afo ike o de pa lo vide ike do chunma me ya mi ano papa
but man na wedi alle te fogaka ma nya gbafanya pia mi le fia ku e maga hena mi
oh no
ne mi onto mi
ta me lo be fa neto mi ata
ta blamanya ko gbo mi le ne so ho na so Thomas Sankara pa inko ya na yofia ihe apuli donye owo ku yakpele yento yo devi me hono ike mi achoko enye enovia okata de catholique suku no communion home usubo misa de catholique hame Blaise Compaoré wowechi dogo yo va woku yo kwa Blaise Compaoré nye do shimeme kaka uno gboni be Blaise banko di dinto ame Blaise enyo ame perade eyowe Lokaba Rawlings Club Busitano. Kano Blaise ale ko ya Blaise banko de dimo Blaise bana si ya hogalasio abela pa e kare Blaise ala be Blaise Compaoré vana Sankara pa ko modu na mashai mele hu Blaise Compaoré ba woku Blaise Compaoré wu Thomas Sankara so Thomas Sankara was a cool leader kakepon call le Ghana Blaise Compaoré vazu apa gbogbo vazu president vu afio ha epenka ko vai ila shakpamang Rawlings Circle na menye Madina olofin ke Accra Central afi Rawlings Park na menye ho lo hin NDC Park oh okay kaka akpo Rawlings Circle le fia the car na cho Atomic Junction Didi Bonako Rawlings Circle de la fuma afi Rawlings Park ta do fiabe obejeje woku afi vaso democratic leader ta
no one they can call that whoever
so this is the problem with the NDC afi MPP paji ha ojo janyame bomo gadira in any case atanko ka obo no ba ko darifia oba Accra
International Airport
ke onye ku e wo nkruma de da nye mi apo versus e nkruma nyore ke mi ma we nkruma international airport
Tony,
you see because then nkruma but de da nye mi apo versus e mi menye fiafi gbogbo show menya azan o mi lo ke mi na kotokara ko me chu nkruma da te po
Tony, ne airport ntope nya na ya akobe history kwa de fiabe at a point in time odibe wa name ya asante wa nuka bayi
nko wa fuma
tanyi menya airport ya ntokora menya nko doli ne menya evide ka ko
menya ya asante ba wa ne Ghana
history fenya ma GM ta akobe michole Accra International Airport biva kotoka yeah mi gara mo boy
Accra Mabede, nenye nkuma de ranye mi over versus ye nkuma nye mi apa Junior Jesus. Ke nemi de kotokara to compensate nkuma. You know these kind of things are necessary. Na no lia do konye history ke ononyi nyabason egbe. Ta nko de ra nko ti am ewo nkuna be NBC va doyata. Ta nko de deda ye ogemiala afi yamofu na ajo.
Tony, I am a member of me was strongly me am a hatchet to do. All the political parties so no kill of agenda or push and menak modonbe and the Ojol NPP pay yome. A cake bombing gallery, Ojol NDC pay yome. Doko Mia Meadow Millabove, a lake mono, Bagajabawabo, Ghana for history, Angola. I'm a mouth belly, say. To political parties of me ike ma avade miajiu ta ameyo kene le tagwe na du popolo fifila ike wala for ya de no dai megbe ne wa atrova amegalegblo ya ni mehwede me hadeo unless otherwise and I never jo emegbe ike mebubo consider nyo no kia kema ne mega kpomo no popo amavado ta flash na miata oga ke mehiem
any crowd alem mi no campaign won JDM John Dramani ma no chacham I don't know form machubere na even ogbona kotoka international airport program ma nye yel me like na de na nota eron pujibe ade yo vota horopishi ne amade akpojijo de volta ko do kushi hohonwa ati benenye na do dankwa kufu ala bene volta nya ho do kushi ko NDC cool Ghana enya go se ne volta senya politics be as a science lo manye feeling o ne volta atanga ho do kushi ko cut off volta kwa ke wo how me cut off ko ke no election e ko MPP ko si do tegbe kakem nana adodan kwa kufu adobede John Dramani mama va nanon nyakpota nanya afuma eke gbomolede amakpaga nto kala afuma oho o parties jise va nyale nkuranya nke maji maglo jichichi you know ikele ministers yo doma ele too much you understand what I mean Ghanaian so demonstration there kotoka airport ya student groups so demonstration journalists so was there enough pressure building in the country for thing like this makako na nako example no ke nchukple nyong ko gbododo nya ba over o interview are nya pasafa ji agama mo no mi akoma se mo basre gbagba Al Jazeera journalist be abaleke Nigeria wo se broko gamyo kenye bototo mano senwo la we yari Ghana ni hananoga there's not enough agitation. In fact, there's not even enough awareness in the nation about this thing. Ghana do comedy like me nya omde ruple do bi fa nyao yenye mo ba shi fa nya nya abakuke ye mo pole Ghana be mareke Sofia ko gbogbo kokokoko kwa no wo say ata ye makwa yi magbana do rogo akene yi ya va bo no wo say ha yoge akene Ghana view gaba nchu fa gbododo kwa nyon ko oruki fa gbododo jimi ola ha say nya blog du come view nya blog ko sengi agom ameko he ona ba sutu kokora ko gbogbo okay for mufua ehali breko nya go se me machi di jopo janya amo fifia mahama meba me masugbo the parliament a nkena fi mi test sama on pata na no kpoga na lara ne afima womia there should be enough that if blomele baba wona makonye enough contextual current that there is enough historical contextual current that necessitated those things yeta yo nam kwa aluta mejo o baba gbe signboard ara you understand Kotokafe's image le alakulamoji o baba tutu fun anyo. Do you understand? Another image over with the Fiaro because the current at that time did not necessitate honoring Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Especially second term. It's not much more honor such a person with those things. So that no way to Sugafwani. Akaonya Kotokafan Koko director or lead Adikwa. Nana no G mema ke miameo ke minye de view mi no now. That after there should be enough current building, and if there's not enough pressure mounting, leave it and tackle the bread and butter issues. That is how you do governance. Anyway, messages are coming. Message recover. The lab, which airport was Ghana Airways using before? Interesting messages today. Randy, do message why not Ghana International Airport Limited? Makenya Beauty be reviving national airline. Why is Kotoka manipulating or hunting the national airline or bringing it down? Okay, the messages are coming. Okay, Imabe. You this transport minister Kofi do message Kofi Eric Sikpa. But please outline the key components of the airline business roll-out process and let's see your kind of thinking in such instances. Don't just say it vaguely like this. All right. Franklin Domesira, Kwame Nkrumah International Airport is more Pan-African. Amarema, Aleka Mwala, Achu Gado message Rakabere, will it give you 10 planes? Will it give you 10 planes? Oh my goodness. Nyama juji mo ta na wakla mwa koju ko mi gamda magbe akane mi ata de juda lenwi ama akpere mi anchinto. Okay, Kofi do message or second message reshuffle is looking at you with one eye. Reshuffle is looking at you with one eye. See, you know, in Kenya, me mag bojidi like I believe if you question no bogo, parliamentary leadership, nyaro gomula, over consult play yo. If you question mo, uchilna so from. You see, I'm modo nyonye person let's go to my nyingi blom. You give me my bro consensus at least my meeting na dey ya nya chocho dollar come la fumo. Nya blank kura nya unvu afia bag ble.
Tony, enya katare mbia awon kede megbele dungo benyi dokura nya me kora mo da babia deolia me kadijibe uke mia pe enu pola o le ope gbeda sedu da ko babia o le fofo de te
I go mare ben already. So this matter still there. People talk, you ask what brains they have.
Sometimes you make mockery of yourself. I will be at the mole document no abia and ya de sia de unkume or abolonya de sia de unkume de wake for me. The Kotebe research be the catcher in Wayamo. But can you no get up logi? A obia me a mere amayo calabology. Oh, no, no, de Kotoka and Coda, or like Uncorn on Wayamo. Mekadejibe enye miakbo not less than 80% of Ghanaians or here ben kone no any mekadeji to bobe research de kama yicho you believe in me be nko ya resonate plemi didi de mi mekbo kuhi de kele ho so I'm a very dolly ma asone mi amegedo regardless of ethnicity
nkpọrọ mi ha mi amaro no kun amekele nko dororo majibo be kemi no refia mi tilt sure in one direction mi na mi susu iketa mi amaro ha hoji sebe no tronko fan akenyi blom ni manya yo nya yo blona obono wo na wo leak kwa nane ta o leak le mai mama do ka mo do ho ide mama amokoto futogbe o amokoto ku zo won lori ya so he mi ba mi mofo nko ya ye gba lo me na yi Geneva na yi World Bank IMF fisha fi na mozom teko o yo ba Kotoka International Airport apogbo bai ya mago do chofu macho nkuma ngole bu kaka ncho ya ke amar ba bia ya mago airport Ghana Airline Ghana Airways
International Airport
Ghana Airways stop ya mago mamleto e ke ba na bala ncho de o
Tony enya ike blode benenwa like ko like de efedeka fifila ne amede heto de moto ebe ava efemile aglobe yi poli
ina polime magba mo H2 yo
polime nko ma like and honya yu kwa mesia menya efike onye ta ame vedo ko ye na ebe HTU ta ne to de kanu to bo ebe HTU ato anopo kaka na aglobe poli ya da sign na obe mejo.
In fact, see, no problem me jibe mia counter nya bromile. That's the kind of show I want. Imagine show ke na mi kata mi na paraka. Me jiba maropa no nami susu yiketa oho sebe okay Roger pe message Mark Roger pe sebe. What is the name of this Minister of Transport after all this? You go and import tomatoes from Burkina Faso. So, mejibere amarono counter na jimele
na medo home corporate authorities
no go susu iketa
so that ne susule ma mi oche mi
now I know nyale gbon o tron ko ba polytechnic chale ko ne polytechnica
echa o yo ho technical yo vaso polytechnic ave vaso technical university.
Okay. No oyi parliament simply ko global fifia polytechnics who have accreditation to grant degrees because the US the faro open college na up to masters. Afi me have Accra Business School Accra Business School kaka run a masters program. Afi va train to was Gold Coast University. So ekenyeka me have GIMPA Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administrators. Gako masters PhD courses university malan koma mo college malan koma mo GIMPA university malan koma mo college malan koma mo technic alo polytechnic malan koma gaka fifia PhD program so on ta you just simply grant them an accreditation in a GTech alo tama accreditation but kojiba announce but what our degree program in Kenya ba amu hoko afu anyi agwa ze ga tronko na Ghana miomi global polytechnic ata na degree that is a sovereign state and its laws
mele no bocho gbeta mele go out of context.
The message is honorable Majima Ponyata eyi chacha miachi message is also
good. Last topic on
politics mi majigo encourage fifi kwete glonyarecho alabe injunction to stop also is by election also is hanging. I think we should do that one. Back up on my you promise a sebo alabo jube oroshimi ajela bakachama de galwe be kenyen fiti ona make sort of hamega no dasha koma daijia mama nya come view alo nto ma view ko chichio la baga koko Apple ama opa jichinyai. Leki na po bakapo mo pa nya just two
Yo,
words.
Tony. Edu ike me mile ya system ike practice mile ya demo be na na me kona me dewa. Na ivonu na ademe. Me diva magbele the problem is not with Baba Jamal. Problem any nationwide something. Ne ekodu kuyobe at the contest de si ademe fifia elon melon. Ame yo kenye akodalawa wawonto wano yoe. Awlabe melanko esolo mi ma va da konawo. Ame kama gabede tefere kene globe enya ike globe la lakpayo because I've gone through contest wazan. And even in national elections makwa chokwe meko 2020 elections cover ike NPP no jiru. Neno a whole central the aftermath of 2020 elections le whole levy. Ike NPP faithfuls the over for ezianibe New York cover bene yoma national elections when ya bolomele sewing machine hair dryer bele no miopeti umeche suswewa yofe party fagbon ganade overhaul de somi ho ameve and ma we yodeme and omanu mawle national elections across Ghana peki so ne na kpoda be efi ihe onye delegate okwele wo were no kayajo that is sigbe mi ape no elections over Zule Ghana irrespective of political party ke honyo even lemia be assembly level elections okwa amewa no yo anodi man so wo
We are 9 and a few other
because ole bube nenya ifimikola ezu no now ezu o maga kpo ta ehia be mia akọ nuke abe national agenda mia kpo be nuka o mia wo Nufafia
TV
number 2 mia me yo kele tefia o yidi ngbe yo ke mi dole ne mi tefia de mi gala ojiwa eya ya we be amia na gbolo be okay na me va da kona wala eyi akoda wi afi magase nko da makpo video
ko Ghana ko no hanele la ko sama baina
so mitaka no mi wala enyeme kpo be no ya ele no gbegbe ne all disqualify Baba Jamal or not.
It's a waste of time.
Agama.
No guy election o gaga market of mobile. Two more messages. Oh God. Two more messages ko ma wovo that are also very funny. Kotoka won't ever be a ghost. Keep satisfying the CPP. If not him, do you think there will ever be multi-party democracy? I think that's a good one. Last one. Joseph, but I don't have a problem with the renaming of the airport, but I hear to cost billions of cedis, the rebranding and the legal implications in making changes across database in the world. So he says he doesn't have a problem, but it will cost money. Yo, Honorable Raphael Dogbe, and Tony Magbo Enumiago, MPP Tony Monumiago, what I mean that she too much politics. I love Yato Yantefonami. The Maui Gapo Gandre Choa, Mamia Bono, Tony Magbo from me. But I'm Yamokata can do messages or messages you suppose I met from Nkakamani. Bye bye.
Fua me gonla ne poma bada batwe manya Fua me na ne poma bada batwe Fua me gon ne poma bada batwe manya la Fua me na ne poma bada batwe Punya motole khavi Melagba fukba mula Na makbola moji Na bamadi chava obo Omalona namo de Otakwenya ba ma va jogade le llego si Otakwenya ba ma va con un dudu le llego bola Fu amigo ne poma bada batoe Ma va o susuba ma jise mi jade no kukumula